Assalamualaikum class 9th. Hope you all will be fine. I am going to give you third lecture on the same unit number 9, all is not lost. Today the date is 17/6/2020 and day is Wednesday. I am going to start your book exercise. It's on page number 98. See the question number B. Arrange these sentences in order in correct sequence. So the sentences, 8 sentences are given. We are going to write these sentences according to the text or according to the story we have read. See the first sentence is sentence number 2. As a young professional, I wish to save the world. Second sentence is sentence number 8. One day, standing at the bedside of a young patient, I wondered if she could make the same recovery like others. Third, we do not have much hope for her. Sentence number 4. I could not leave my patient fighting a lost battle on her own. Sentence number 5. The advice to leave the patient unattended did not seem right. Sentence number 6. One day I was thrilled to see she lifted her little finger. All was not lost. Sentence number 7. Thanks to Allah, she was my patient, standing and walking on her own feet. And sentence 8. I was proud to be a nurse. These are the 8 sentences and we have to write these sentences according to the sequence of the chapter we have read. See the vocabulary portion. Question number A. Match column A with column B. Column A, beside. Beside mean at the side of. Ironic. Ironic means conveying opposite sense. Made up, decide. Decided. Justify my stance, prove myself right. These are the words and we have to match these words with the same meaning. Option C. Identify the phrase and idiom in the unit and use them in the sentences. So phrase and idioms are given in the unit and we have to find out these phrases and the idioms and then make sentences of these phrases and idioms. Let me show you my notes. See, it's question number B. Identify the phrase and idioms in the unit and use them in the sentences. Phrase in the unit. Now I have selected the phrases first and I have underlined all phrases and make sentences of these phrases. See the first one. To make a quick recovery. The nurse was excited to see the patients making quick recoveries from devastating accident. In vain. Doctors tries to save the patient but all in vain. Near and dear ones. All the near and dear ones were worried for the patient. A lost battle. The doctor believed that they were fighting a lost battle. Hopeless comment. The nurse did not agree to the hopeless comment of the surgeon. Ironic smile. The doctor gave an ironic smile at the insistence of the nurse. Try once for. The nurse wanted to try once for the patient. Utter surprise. The nurse looked to the recovered patient with utter surprise. Hopeless case. The nurse believed that the accident victim was not a hopeless case. See the sentence number 10 is justify one's stance. It was very difficult for the nurse to justify her stance. Lost hope. The doctor thought that the patient was a lost hope. Freeze to the ground. After 3 months, the nurse's feet froze to the ground to see her patient's bed taken up by another. Crippled life. The nurse did not want the patient to live a crippled life. Hope in one's mind. An idea popped in nurse's mind to help the patient. Big smile. The recovered patient gave the nurse a big smile. To give one a big hug. The recovered patient gave the nurse a big hug. Bond of friendship. The nurse timely helped create a bond of friendship between her and the patient. These are the phrases I have selected from the text. Now I want to see you the idioms. First of all, I have written what is idiom in the unit. Idiom. Idiom is a form of expression, construction or phrase particular to a language and often possessing a meaning other than its grammatical or logical one. So the word's meaning is beyond its grammatical or logical meaning. Grammatical और logical meaning से ये अलग हटकर होगा. For example, break into इट्स मीन नकब लगाना या चोरी करना. Break out, वबा का फूटना. So we have the first word is a verb and it is plus we have a preposition. With verb we are going to write a preposition and it gives us change meaning. इसका मतलब change हो जाएगा. It don't give us grammatical or logical meaning. It gives us some other meaning. That is called idioms in a text. See the idioms given in this chapter. Read through. The nurse read her mind through her eyes. Shocked at. The nurse was shocked at the doctor's hopeless comment. To do one's best. The nurse did her best to save the patient. Walk in. The candidate can walk in for the interview. Make up one's mind. The nurse make up her mind to help the patient. Smile at. The recovered patient smiled at the nurse. Bear fruit. The efforts of the nurse bore fruit. Look for. The nurse was looking for the patient. These are the idioms used in this chapter. See the next question. It's question number C. Use the following words in sentences first as verb and then as noun. Care, wow, surprise, request, need and state. These are the words given for the sentences. First we have to make sentences as a verb and then we have to make sentences as a noun. So each word has two sentences, first as a verb and the other one as a noun. See the example. First go straight, then turn left. So turn here is verb. It is my turn now. Turn here is noun. So we have to make two sentences of each as a noun and as a verb. Let me show you my notes. See the first word, care. Verb. I shall care for my ailing mother. So care is stand as a verb in this sentence. And noun. My sister is no care for her future. No care. Here care means care stand as a noun. Walk. Verb. I was walking to my school. Noun. The boy fell on the sidewalk. Surprise. Verb. I surprised my father with my achievements. Noun. There is no surprise for me if she comes to my home today. Request. Verb. I request to the principal for a leave. Noun. I made a request to the principal. Need. Verb. I need your help. Noun. There is no need to worry about. State. Verb. I shall state that I am suffering from fever. And noun. The state of the patient was very serious. So here from here I am going to give you the home task. You have to do all the word sentences. Try to do it to your own or do from my notes and try to learn all the phrases, idioms and the sentences I have shown at the last as a verb and as a noun. Learn them by heart. That is your home task and try to learn the vocabulary also. Okay class, best of luck. Allah Hafiz.